Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Drunken Granny Stitch. And I didn't make up the name, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain in multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to start working in the 5th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to make 4 double crochet. 1. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. And we need 4 double crochet in this stitch, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to chain 2, and you're going to make 1 more double crochet in that same stitch. So in that stitch we have 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and another double crochet. Skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next stitch, work 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 double crochet all in the same stitch, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet in that same stitch. And you're going to continue that across the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, work into this stitch, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet in that same stitch. At the end of the row, you're going to skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. And the next row will just be the same row repeated over and over for the remainder of the pattern. Chain 2 and turn. Now you're going to find this chain 2 space, and you're going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 1 more double crochet in that same stitch. Now you're going to go to the next chain 2 space and do the same thing. 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 2, 1, 2, and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. And the same thing in this last stitch. 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1 more double crochet, and at the end of the row you're going to make a double crochet right there in that last double crochet. So you make 1 double crochet in that stitch, and you'll just keep repeating that row over and over. Chain 2 and turn. Start working in that stitch, make 4 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Go to the next chain 2 space, the same thing. 4 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And you just keep repeating that row over and over. And that's how easy it is to crochet the Drunken Granny Stitch. I hope you enjoyed learning this new stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.